Alright guys, we're back on the bug. Just did a little cylinder head video for one of my subscribers who had a question for me. We're going to go ahead and break this door down. Pretty much 10 millimeter. Not a whole lot of tools necessary for this job. But let me grab a plastic bag and I'll be right back. Are you moving kittens? Put that cat back. So the cat's trying to move these cats again. Getting to be a daily thing. What do I come over here for? Plastic bag. Plastic bags. Alright, we got our baggie for our nuts and bolts. Oh! Everything situated. So, how's everybody doing today out there in YouTube land? Hope everybody's having a good Friday. And, yeah. Come apart pretty easy. You need the handle to get this window down. Get the window down. See if I can just pull this track down. Of course, power tools would be good, but you know, we didn't think of that. We're going this route. So I'm having trouble getting the guy to pick the Hyundai up. So he's not in a hurry to pick it up. He said I had it for 6 months, and now he's going to take his time. So I didn't know it was a marathon, but apparently he was in a hurry. And didn't tell me that plans had changed, so I don't know. So that might be a good one. We don't have a signed repair order on that car, so that might have to be a strip. And I've only done that one other time, and the look on the guy's face is just priceless, so I'll be sure to get it on video. But if you ever run into this situation, you know, and it's a lose-lose, and you know, you don't have an invoice signed on the car, you sort of don't have a foot to stand on, and but neither do they on the other hand. So basically what I like to do is I bring the car and I'll take the hog paper to it and I'll strip it down to steel, and I just drive the car back to him, and he'll be like, what happened? And I said, well, we just couldn't come to an agreement. I don't want to do it. And you know, there's nothing they can do about it. They just have to sit there with a stripped car. And usually it's an awesome look on their face. I've only had to do that one other time. And yeah, it's been a while too. So I'm sure this guy will pay. He's just, you know, being difficult. Let me grab some gloves real quick because I see some grease. Alrighty. I started taking those doors apart on the Crown Vic yesterday, and it poured rain on me, so I need to get back on that. But the driver's side looks like the regulator's bad, and I can see the cable laying in there. So I'm hoping the motor's still good. But I don't know yet. We'll find out. We'll find out what in the world. Usually there's some bolts in here, but yeah, we can do it this way. cheat it out of here without bending the door to death. There's that. Goes down here. More things out of the way. There's a chunk. Yeah, I think there's a Phillips screw up here at the top. Somewhere up here. Very tricky. Let me grab some pliers because I got no finger strength here. Well, leaving those cats alone, girl. Normally this felt's not attached to this. Somebody put a screw in here. And I guess this is a little trick. There goes the screw. There goes the felt. I'm gonna pull that out. Just pull it straight up out of the channel. I'm gonna loosen the glass up in there. And now we have to take some screws out here. That. These little things usually just cheats out of there. Maybe glue it in there. Glued or screwed, one of the two. little clips. They're like chrome clips, reverse, so you just find a clip and try to push right where the clip's mounted. One of those squeezy type deals. Just gotta gently pry it out of there. Okay, we should do that. We'll pry it up, turn the corner with it. This is little, look like chrome clips. Alrighty, and so just pop riveted in there. Yep, definitely pop riveted very well. So now, we're going to need a drill for this part. Gloves. Good. Yeah. It's getting replaced. It's bent. And that's that. And these have the same type clips as the inner piece there. Right here, which are a pain in the butt to get out, but there we go. We got a little high spot there. We'll tap down, tap, 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 and we get a hammer. And, there we go. We're just going to give it a little tap right there where it's high, obviously. It'd be a little harder to fix that. Pretty good dent there, actually. We'll go ahead and take our glass out of here. This way. Alright, we'll have to Something wrong with this thing. It does not want to come out here. Well, I think I got all the bolts out, but it's not going to be difficult. A screw, but it looks like there's a screw there. I already took one screw out. Double screwed. Here we go. Alright, let's come out of here. Up here. Alright, let's switch sides here. Being difficult. Voila. That's how it's supposed to come out. Just pop out. Bam. Now this thing should come out of here. I think. Didn't make no promises. Alrighty. Get some air hose. Try to pull my pants up so you guys don't get cracked up. I need air fitting. I gotta have one of those in my pocket. Go. Couple pins in here. Watch the camera. There we go. What in the world? Gotta plug it in. Works on electricity. Oh. Start there. Hold on to the door with the foot. Give her a little pull. Alright, that's pretty much it for that. We'll hit that with the grinder one more time, and it will CA. Maybe one more pin right there. Try to get it as close as we can before we put any Bondo in there. Let's skim coat it just a little bit, not much though. Put it on the door. That's feeling pretty good. That off and grind it down so we don't rip a hole there. Video is going to be worth the crap, but there we go. Rip the door apart, got our trim out of there, starting to look ready for paint. We got all our trim. We got one more door to break down. Go ahead and tear this door down, pull the trim out of it too today, and we'll be ready on this one. I got this blocked a little more this morning, so I'll put some more primer on this one a little bit. Got this stuff ready to prime, and just gonna do it all at once. I'm gonna go ahead and buzz that door real quick and knock out a little bit of body work so I can get that door and primer also. So there we go. And like I said, found a couple high spots down there. I knew it was a little rough, but I just primed it anyway. That's what I get. And yep. So let's take a look at the kitten. She keeps trying to move. And I don't know what's going on. Maybe she doesn't like the fan. What's the matter? What's the matter, Mommy? Huh? What's the matter? Why you keep moving these kittens, huh? Can't move them every day. There we go. That's the growler. And let's give Mommy Cat some food. That's probably what she's wanting. And I'm gonna go ahead and shut this off, guys, so I don't bore you to death. And yep. So there you go. A couple more kitty shots. Pretty cool. They're like, where'd the milk go? So all right, guys, we'll see you in a little bit. Make a couple videos a day and try to cheat them up there for you. And gotta give Sean a call today, see what's going on there. I might go visit up there for a little while, get away, little trip, doing a little touch up on the Hyundai out here, painting some trim with some trim black, you know, trimming it. And yeah, like new. So that kind of stuff. A little compound clean up today, little final detail stuff like that, you know, shit like this, compound everywhere, and all the wonders of buffing. And I might paint this trim because it's looking pretty beat. So that's what we're doing, not a whole lot. And here's Crown Vic. I'll show you that real quick before I shut this off, since we're on the doors. But there's the cable right there, all busted loose. I can hear the motor running, so I guess I'll go ahead and cut all that loose and get the assembly out and buy a regulator for this one. And I'm gonna go ahead and get that one off over there so I can get all my parts ordered at once. This is a lovely car here. So yeah. All right, guys. It's a beautiful day in Florida. Not a cloud in the sky. Beautiful day. The grass is nice and green from all the rain we've been having. Got the yard cut. We need to get some rocks and weed and rock the flower beds. And I got a bunch of sprinkler repair to do. I turned the sprinklers on and got like 4 broken sprinkler heads somehow. So, all right, guys. We'll talk to you in a little bit.